5 habits rich people won't tell you. 1. Procrastination can destroy everything in just a minute. It's been claimed that 1 minute of procrastination may ruin a month's worth of discipline and hard work. Most individuals can relate to this. After dedicating yourself to working non-stop for a few months, when you try to rest, things change, and you appear to be lazy. I am also working on this. In the past, I would get sidetracked and put off doing my task, but not anymore. Every time I try to put something off, I keep going because I can see the results of my diligent labor. Think of the benefits of finishing your work when you are about to put off doing it. 2. Avoid using money to brag. Once you start utilizing your money to make money, you'll never stop doing so. Smart, wealthy people only flaunt their wealth when it benefits them financially or when they work in the lifestyle industry. I prefer to think about Kim Kardashian, since she leads a very lavish lifestyle, which her fans support by purchasing from her clothing line and other businesses. She also invests in stocks of other popular companies, which allows her to generate more income than she uses. That mindset is one of wealth. The ultimate flex is to constantly invest more than you spend. 3. Make money while sleeping. You can have the chance to wake up with a fresh bank account balance by making wise investments. All of the individuals I just named earn money while sleeping. It's fantastic to start a firm and have customers hire you, but you should also have at least one source of passive income. It might be a blog where you market things via affiliate links, an online store, or a place where you offer courses. 4. Not everyone wants you to succeed. Look at some of the millionaires you know again. They frequently work on a project in secret before announcing it. Success that surprises people has a certain positive energy that originates from within. It's the moment you acknowledge that you succeeded. Compared to when you add outside energy, winning in private exposes power you didn't realize you have and your potential. 5. The genuine game changer. You don't need buddies who only buy you tequila shots, won't encourage your business ideas or buy you meals, but rather someone who shares your values and helps you become a better person. It's difficult to keep your values when your friends are corrupted, that is, friends who can't stand seeing you win. You must seek out new acquaintances who will encourage you to perform at your highest level. Stop describing your movements to others. They merely seek information to make judgments. Get the desired results, then use your successes to silence critics.